I don't see anything, but I can hear it.
Yeah, there is.
It's videoing. Yes, I don't know what that noise is, but it's neat, and I wanted to share it. And this secluded area certainly allows me for talking to myself and not looking completely ridiculous. Frond. Yeah, so I probably won't get a chance to post this before I get home, but it's lovely here. The sun is shining. I'm hot and sweaty. I've already got a burn. It's only the first official day we're here. It's Sunday. It's 5 p.m. Ooh, supper time. And, yeah. It's not all this overgrown. Like I said, I just picked this place because it was nice and secluded and no one would think I was a weirdo. Bye-bye.